G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry I've not put much up lately, but we've been flat out. Stellar Crown got today, just come out. I opened the pack off channel and you would not believe it. Huss, look at that guys. Alright, let's see if we have any luck in this one. Alright, that's cool. Alright, I'm feeling fire because it's a bit warm today.
Feeling lightning.
I'm loving these new energy cards, something different. See what we get. I just bought 2 random booster packs off the shelf. See what we get. Oh!
Deluxe bomb.
And I've got a hit out of every single one. And then, alright. Look at that, guys. Alright, guys, remember, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye!